I can't even think of eating properly, sir. He comes from this place, I move out from that place. Oh God. Sir, मैं क्या करूँ, sir? What to do? Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. One of my earlier students who joined GME from a good college, he's on his first shift. Before joining his first shift, he told me, sir, the chief engineer that is who is signing on shift, I know him, sir, very well, sir. I've heard about him. He's very famous in harassing students. His fourth engineers, his fifth engineers, his third engineers, his second engineers. So I said, no worries, everything will be fine. So it's been 1.5 months. Just 2 days back, I got a call from him. Ki, sir, I'm not being able to survive out here. My chief engineer is very strict, sir. He is blah, 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 blah. He harasses me, sir. Mental torture, sir. I can't even think of eating properly, sir. He comes from this place. I move out from that place. Oh God. Sir, मैं क्या करूँ, sir? What to do? Well, I had just 2 advices for him. First, don't give up. Don't give up. Why? I'll tell you. I asked him first question, okay, when is your chief engineer's contract finishing? Say, today is February, right? So he said, sir, in the month of March. मैंने बोला, just 1 month and everything will be fine. मैंने बोला, is your second engineer happy with you? कहता yes. मैंने बोला, is your third engineer happy with you? कहता yes. मैंने बोला, is your fourth engineer happy with you? कहता yes. मैंने बोला, is your crew happy with you? कहता yes. मैंने बोला, relax. That chief engineer is even a problem for those people as well right now. That's his nature. And at this age, such a senior chief engineer cannot be changed. Right? So better move along, have patience, and most importantly, thank your stars that on your first shift itself, you got to work with a senior who is very strict, who harasses you, who gives you tough time, who doesn't even let you breathe. So if you pass this test, you will never ever fail in life. You will never ever fail in life. Because hardships are important in life, my friend. Struggle is important in life, my friend. And most importantly, smooth seas never make a skillful sailor. I still remember when I was a junior engineer, I had a very tough time on board ship. But why it started? My chief used to be very strict. He used to come into ECR, I used to leave out from there. Wherever I used to see him, I used to maintain 30 meters distance from him. I knew his breakfast time, I knew his lunch time, I knew his dinner time. I never went during those times to eat my lunch, dinner. That was the fear that I had. My legs used to shiver when I used to see him in front of me or when he used to ask me any kind of question. And you know why it started? Because first thing was lack of knowledge. I did not have confidence on myself that if he'll ask me some question, will I be able to answer it back? No. And since I did not have that confidence, I did not know my work, that lack of confidence came in, crept in. And then I started avoiding, shying away. But later on in my life, I realized that never works. You cannot run away from struggles. You cannot run away from difficulties. You have to face them. And remember, you have to make them work in your favor. So start working hard, my boy. It's your fault because it's your attitude. You have to change. You cannot expect people to change for you. So make your attitude good one. Learn as much as possible. Read manuals. आज तुम्हारा वक्त नहीं है, बट याद रखो तुम्हारा वक्त जरूर आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा. Along with that, all I want to say is, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, please go click the playlist and watch other such motivational videos which can really guide you. And guys, these are not motivational videos. These are the failures that I have seen in my own life. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.